Secondary colors. The secondary colors, orange, violet, and green, are made by mixing two primary colors. Green is a mixture of yellow with blue. Orange is a mixture of yellow with red, and purple is a mixture of red and blue. Green. Green is a lively color, and it symbolizes renewal and growth. It is the color you see the most in the natural environment. It is the color of spring when everything comes to life, and it depicts the period when everything is alive and unrolling its natural processes. Green also means balance, calm, and harmony. So it is a great color to have around when you are trying to restart yourself after a hard day. It is the reason we feel so great when we are out in the open. Let's have a look at some of the green logos to understand this color better. Orange. Orange is a combination of red and yellow. Red is filled with energy and stimulation, and yellow is responsible for happiness and cheerfulness. It is a more active color because it makes us react by gut feeling. It is the color that gives you shelter in tough moments by not allowing you to sink into grief or disappointment. It brings a high degree of positivism. Let's have a look at some of the orange logos to understand this color better. Purple, violet, magenta. Colorblind people can see purple, violet, and magenta colors perfectly, and we usually see them as blue. Commonly, people think about pigment, and in that case, the color you get when mixing blue and red would be purple. Purple is associated with luxury, power, wisdom, creativity, and magic. When you look at purple in a psychological manner, it is the color that balances red and blue. Red tends to bring intensity and energy to the color, while blue brings relaxation and stability. Together, they make the brilliant color of purple, which is the perfect balance of the two. Light purple has a feminine energy. Bright purple is the link with richness and royalty, and dark purple can be associated with sadness and frustration. However, if you are referring to additive color, which means light, then the result of mixing red and blue light would be magenta. In paint, mixing primary red and primary blue in equal amounts will give you a deep purple. It might even be very dark in comparison to what you are used to calling purple. It's amazing to know that purple objects are red and blue at the same time. The difference between purple and violet is that violet is on the blue side of purple and is a deeper color than purple. Purple is more reddish and saturated, while violet is more bluish and less saturated. In the color wheel historically used by painters, violet is located between blue and purple. If we combine blue with violet, we will have indigo color. But in another hand, magenta is a color in between red and purple, or pink and purple. Sometimes it is confused with pink or purple. It's defined as purplish red, reddish purple, or mauvish crimson. Let's have a look at some of these colors to understand them better.